Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking channel. Today I want to do something a little bit healthier, but we love our snacks at night, so I thought, seems like everyone is doing the cottage cheese blueberry bake. So about a month or so ago I did the breakfast blueberry bake. I found this recipe that uses cottage cheese and blueberries in a cookie. So I thought that would be a good snack. There's no sugar in it. It would be healthier than a real cookie, but who doesn't like the real cookies, especially chocolate cookies? It's my one weakness. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's get started. Well, friends, it's that time of day where we get to try our cookie. Now, this is a healthier version of a cookie. So, this is our blueberry cottage cheese cookie. Well, folks, that wasn't bad. It's not my favorite thing, but if you want a healthy option other than a sugar-filled cookie, then definitely these cookies are the way to go. So I feel like this was a successful bake. Tried a new recipe. It's pretty good. Please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. And thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.